Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Day 16, Chapter 4, verse number 135. O you who believed, be custodians of justice, as witnesses to Allah, even if it is against yourself or the parents and the relatives, if he be rich or poor, for Allah is never to both of them. So do not follow the desires lest you deviate, and if you distort or refrain, then indeed Allah is of what you do all aware. Explanation. Allah orders us in this ayah that when we are called to testify, we have to stand up for justice even if it is against our parents. Even though we should be good and kind to our parents, when we are called to testify and stand up for justice, we have to testify even if it is against them. Inshallah, we will watch a video tomorrow in which we will see how a girl stands up for justice and testifies against her mother.